Hey guys, it's your boy Pedro here, and today we're going to be opening the tournament rewards. So, we're going to go with Snowballs here. Here we're going to go with the 85 overall player for the elite gift. Here we're going to go with 5 legend collectibles. Here we're going to go with the... I'm really not sure with tier 4, because we'll go with the elite ultimate freeze player here. And here... just for the video, we're gonna go for elite present pack. But if I were you guys, probably the super stack player pack. So we'll open these. Okay. Patrick Peterson. What? What the heck, EA? Snowballs, come on. I saw that on Bouncer's thread though. We're gonna have to redeem us. Okay, ooh. New Year's Eve. Ooh. New Year's Eve presents. Okay. And to make it interesting for you guys, I'll open one. Oh, so it's only New Year's. Okay. That's pretty cool. So, let's look at my auctions for a bit. Okay, we'll open this present. Okay, everything else will sell. 368k, not bad. He had the same problem as me. So let's see all these presents. So they don't have as many as last time, but still. Let's look at the marketplace, and then we'll look at the next week's reward. So they have the same packs. Okay, so it's new gift. Let me just finish one of these sets for you guys. Right here. Gold plus present. So let's go to home tournament rewards. So it's not going to be really a New Year's tournament. It's just kind of regular rewards. One elite stack deep place. Kind of a glitch, isn't it? Because tier 5 is elite stack deep player and tier 3 is an elite stack player. And EA's tournaments are so glitchy. Kind of bad. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And peace out.